So today I am getting our signature treatment for the face. I have some mid-face separation here. You see when I smile, you can see just here. I'm starting to get some lines developing in that area. And it's the same thing here. See when I make facial expressions, you can clearly see like in this area here where I have some deficit. Also here, I'm getting some nasolabial fold. So this treatment is called plasma sculpt. Okay, so basically what a plasma sculpt is a combination. As you can see here, I've already had my my blood taken. This is a combination of PRP, sculpture, and exosomes to help the face to reshape the face and also to erase wrinkles in the face as well. So now you can see the difference between the two sides. As the plasma gets into the tissue, everything will go down, and as time continues, then you will see the difference. Normally it takes, the plasma will go down normally within a few days, but then you start seeing the difference about 30 days later.